Hi guys, today's all about fire safety. I'm installing this fire blanket as well as a fire extinguisher. So if the video adds some value to your own build, let me know in the comment section or by dropping a wee like. And if you want to stay up to date with the build or future trips, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you're always notified when I release a new video. Installed the fire extinguisher. It's just slotted in here. It's solid. So fire extinguisher there and fire blanket here. And just as a quick test, so if there's a fire at the kitchen down here, 2 seconds to get it. So I put a small piece of carpet just to stop it rattling and just do a test just to see if it affects it in any way. Nah, good to go. With the box in, it's still easy to get.